Hello, this is Dr. Yamada. In this series of video, I'm going to talk about citation and references for college assignment, thesis, and writing scientific manuscripts. So what is citation? When you write an assignment or master's thesis, doctoral dissertation, or scientific manuscripts, we are talking about scientific writing. So you can't write your sentences just by your intuitions or assuming something. Instead, we support our opinions or our sentences with evidence, right? So those evidence, such as thesis, theories, or somebody's ideas, previous work and findings and definitions or statement, all of these are examples of intellectual work, which must be acknowledged. So citing is nothing but acknowledging somebody's previous work. So there are two different types of citations: in-text citation and referencing. In-text citation is, as the name indicates, you provide a clue of the source within your own text. So the reason why you only provide a brief version of the full evidence is because if you include the full address, how to access to the original work, then your sentence is too distractive and lengthy. So that's why in your own text, you provide a very brief version of it. And then in the references, you provide a full address of the source. So readers, if they are interested in, can access to the information. Reference is an additional section you will add at the end of your work. When it comes to the style of citation, there are many styles. So for example, in the figures, one style citation may include the name and another citation only includes the numbers. So each style has their own different rules. And for this series of video, I focus on the APA style. The APA stands for American Psychological Association, and there are currently 7 editions, and the 7th edition is up to date as of 2024. And therefore, we're going to focus on the 7th edition of APA style.